Are you the funniest girl? Are you the funniest girl? Are you my angel? Yeah. Sweet baboo. Yes. Oh, that sweet baboo. Yeah. Oh, that sweet baboo. Yeah, you're just so sweet. A long time ago, someone suggested making a more raw video, meaning not a lot of talking or background music, and I thought the idea was interesting, but I never did anything like it. Recently, I thought I'd give this ASMR style breakfast making weight loss vlog a go for this week's Weigh-In Wednesday. I'm April Lauren, and I'm on a journey to lose 200 pounds. I'm almost 90 pounds down, and I have right at 110 pounds to go. My husband just got back from a distant land, and we are just enjoying a very relaxing morning. here are our breakfasts. So he has 3 eggs, a serving of cheese. He's got 2 servings of cream cheese, a serving of butter, a bagel, 2 pieces of bacon, and then I have 200 milligrams of egg whites with the spices I showed, and 1 piece of bacon, 2 pieces of Sara Lee toast, and avocado spread. That's comes in a 100-calorie pack. It's so good. And then we just spent time together just chatting. I just did a time lapse and we just enjoyed spending time. And then he opened up his presents, which I didn't really wrap any of them. So he had supplements. And then he wanted these shoes, which are supposed to be like epically grippy. So that way he doesn't slide on some of the obstacles where he needs to use his feet on very slick wood or other surfaces. So he's very excited for that. And then once we ate our breakfast, I sat down and planned out the rest of my day. The way my mind works is pretty textbook ADD. I am pretty good at planning. However, that moving from planning to execution can be overwhelming if I have too much that I'm focusing on. So what I've been doing is sitting down and then just making a list of things to get done, not necessarily like that they have to be done right now this second, because when I do that, when I'm like, okay, today I want all of these tasks done, then typically I get overwhelmed and I do less. But so what I do is I just have a list and I add to the list as I need to, and then I carry the list over to the next day. So if I don't complete the task on the list, then I just add it to the task. If I had tasks already or things appointments or whatever, I just add it to that. And that has been working really well for me. And I've been reading this book on ADHD, and it's been pretty helpful. It's kind of like a workbook. So I've been working through it. It's been very helpful for me in managing the way that my mind works. And yeah, so I'll link that book down below if you are interested in checking it out. And then I took both pups for a walk, but I only grabbed video footage of Julio's walk, and I didn't do very much because it was warming up and I wanted to get their walk done and before it got too hot. And then I did an incline walk on the treadmill. I've been trying to do incline walks on the treadmill pretty regularly. It was pretty hot, so I was happy I was doing this in my garage, and I just decided to do it in shorts and a sports bra. That is not something that I would do outside of my house. So I'm not sure why I feel comfortable posting video, but I do share a lot of video of me, and usually I'm wearing dark colors, and so I feel like I can appreciate how different I look when I'm not in darker colors. When I was getting on the treadmill, you can see like why shorts aren't always great. Like every 3 steps you have to pull them down. I have been working on an incline. I have a goal this summer that I am working on. I have weight loss goals, of course, but this goal is not weight loss related. It's something that I want to accomplish, and hopefully it's going to work out. I feel like every time I walk on the treadmill, it's a little bit easier than the time before. So I just bumped the incline all the way up, and then I have been progressively increasing the speed. So my incline does not go up higher than a 12. So that's it. And then if I start holding on, I know I'm going too fast for what I'm capable of at the moment. So I will slow the speed back down. Walking on the treadmill is definitely trying my patience. I absolutely hate walking on the treadmill. And I think maybe if I had the TV set up, it would be better. In high school, I walked on the treadmill a ton. I would do 4 miles per hour at the highest incline, and I would walk for like an hour, and I have no idea how I did that. I will say the first 10 minutes are absolute torture, and then it's fine. Then I'm fine. And sometimes I do 45 minutes. I range between 30 and 45 minutes. And I've been doing it anywhere from 3 to 6 times in a week. It just depends on how I'm feeling and what I want to do and how my other workouts are going. Let's go ahead and dive into the weigh-in Wednesday portion of this video. Welcome to the weigh-in portion of this video. This week I weighed in at 263.3 pounds, and I think my body's just hanging on a little tight. I am almost 90 pounds down. I'm so close. I think my body's like, wait. For whatever reason, I think it's like holding on, because I know this week has been such a good week for me. It has been very good for my soul, for like physically. It has been good food-wise. Everything has been really good, and I've just felt really good. I think
I think getting past the excitement of. So getting past that dump of a mindset that I was in, and then going past that by way of having kind of like that high of doing really well and having that really good non-scale victory, to just continuing forward even without that energy has felt really, really good for me. And I love that I've videoed my journey, because I think being able to see myself in like as a moving thing, it gives me a full picture of how I look, and that has been very beneficial to me and motivating. I included the footage of me on the treadmill. When I looked at it, I was like, oh, this is terrible. I don't know how to talk about this. I think I'll end up doing a separate video on like body image, my body image, and how I look and feel about myself. In the thumbnail image for this video, wearing the lighter colors, you can kind of see where my skin is starting to have like, there's still a lot of fat, of course, but there's like a little extra skin, which is unfortunate. I'm gonna have loose skin. Like, you don't get 200 pounds overweight without significant loose skin. So I'm gonna have loose skin on my arms. I'm gonna have it on my stomach. I'm gonna have it lots of places. I'm gonna have it lots of places, and I will probably get it removed. I am just so ready. I'm ready to get all of the weight off. And you know, even when I get every single pound that I want to get off, even if I get skin removal surgery, I will have terrible photos where I look bigger than I am. I will have great photos where I look smaller than I am. I will have amazing photos where I look exactly the size that I am. And then I'll just have bad photos. Like, it's just the way that it works. Like, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little weird. The ASMR stuff, I know it's a little weird. I just thought it was worth a shot. I thought the lighting was really pretty. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. If you'd like a video on me talking about my body image relationship, it's not really, I don't think I have a lot of body image issues. I feel like I know how I look, and I also know how I think I look. I'm like, I'm not making any sense here. Let me know if you'd like a video on me rambling about the way I look versus the way that I think I look versus the way other people see me. Let me know if you'd like to hear my thoughts on that. I look forward to seeing you for Friday for another meal prep video. And if you didn't see last week's, check out last week's. Let me know what you thought. And I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.